Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Are you looking for a quick and healthy meal idea? Pairing spinach with eggs is truly a winning combination. It's simple to make, packed with nutrients, and incredibly versatile, perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even a light dinner. This classic duo proves that healthy eating can be both easy and incredibly delicious, offering a satisfying meal anytime you need it. Before we begin cooking, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 5 ounces of fresh spinach, 2 to 3 large eggs per serving, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Don't forget your basic seasonings, salt and pepper, to taste. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding a clove of minced garlic or a quarter of a finely diced onion, preparing them ahead of time for a smooth cooking process. First, let's get that spinach ready. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat, then add your olive oil. Once warm, toss in all your fresh spinach. It might seem like a lot, but it will quickly wilt down. Stir it occasionally until it's completely soft, usually taking just 2 to 3 minutes. Once wilted, a great tip is to press out any excess water using a spoon, ensuring your dish isn't watery. Now for the eggs, you have a few delicious options here. You can scramble them, fry them, or even poach them directly in the pan with the spinach. If you prefer scrambled eggs, just pour your whisked eggs over the wilted spinach and stir until they set. For a fried or poached egg, create a small well in the spinach, carefully crack your egg into it, and then cook until it's perfectly done. Once your eggs are cooked to perfection, it's time to serve. Enjoy your spinach and eggs immediately for the freshest taste. You can elevate the dish with a sprinkle of fresh chives, a dash of hot sauce, or a little grated Parmesan cheese. It pairs wonderfully with a slice of whole grain toast, some creamy avocado, or even a side of fresh fruit for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.